Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about 2D geometry, okay, two-dimensional shapes. Now, in this question, it will ask me two things. First of all, the area of the shaded region and the perimeter of the shaded region. So the question is telling here, refer to the following figure in which M and N are midpoints, of the two of the sides of the square PQRS. Midpoints means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So, if the question was clear, like this is a square and M and N are what? Midpoints. So if I want to calculate the perimeter as an example, so this is 1, check this, this is 1, and this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, here too, because this is a square, right, okay. So instead I have this side as 1, I have this side as also 1. So this side is 1, this side is what? Also 1. Here 1, and here what? 1. If I want to calculate the perimeter, that there is like MN is missing here and PQ is, or PR, sorry, is missing. So to get the MN, I know in the square this is 90 degrees. So I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem here, 1 square plus 1 square, which is under radical 1 square plus 1 square, and this is the answer is radical 2. And also 2 square plus 2 square under radical 2 square plus 2 square, and that's the answer here, what? 2 radical 2. So here 2 radical 2. Using also Pythagorean for this side and this side. So at the end I have the perimeter, so 1 plus radical 2 plus 1 plus 2 radical 2. So at the end I get what? 2 plus 3 radical 2. So it's what? 2 plus 3 radical 2 for the perimeter. Okay? So the trick here is I use the Pythagorean to get this, and Pythagorean 2 to get this side. So 1 plus this plus 1 plus this. At the end I get the perimeter. Okay? So question 2. If I want to get the area, the easy way, just avoid like doing a lot of stuff. So the easy way, and this is 2, and this is 1, this is 1 also. To get the shaded area, I can get the area of the square minus the area of the first triangle minus the area of what? The second triangle. The area of the square is what? 2 times 2, side times side. Minus the area of the first triangle, half times 1 times 1. The area of the second triangle, half times 2 times 2. So, the area of this triangle, half times 1 times 1. The area of this triangle, half times 2 times 2. And the area of the square, 2 times 2. How to get the shaded? The area of the square minus the 2 triangles. So, in this case, it's 4 minus half times 1 times 1, which is half, minus what? Half times 2 times 2, which is equal to how much? 2.5. And in this case, the answer is 1.5. See you in question 3. Here, question 3 now. Okay, so if the length of the rectangle is 5 times the width, the length is equal 5 times the width. Okay, and if the area is equal 180, so the area of this rectangle is equal to how much? 180. I know that the area is equal to length times width, right? So area is equal length. In the place of the length, what should I put? 5 width, because the length is equal 5 times the width. So 5 times the width times the width, which means that how much the area? It's 180. 180 is equal to 5 W square. So W square is equal to 180 over how much? 5. So in this case, W is equal 180 divide 5. Okay? 180 divide 5. And that is equal to how much? 36. Okay? 180 divide 5, and that's equal to how much? 36. Then after that, the question asking me to get what? The perimeter. So fine. By the way, this is, sorry, This is w squared is equal to 36. In this case, w is equal to 6. Right? Yeah. W is equal to 6. The length is equal to 5 times 6, which is equal to 30. And the width, I know it's equal to 6. So this is the triangle. So let's say 36, 36. So calculate, it's how much? 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 12 is equal to how much? 72. Okay, this is the end of question 3. Question 4, let's start. So in question 4, I want to calculate the area of the shaded region, which is the semicircle plus the trapezoid. Check this. For the semicircle, very easy. The area is equal pi times, what's the radius? The radius here, the diameter 20, so the radius is 10. So it's 10 squared, okay? So that's going to be 100 pi, okay? And the area of the trapezoid, the area of the trapezoid, always remember, that's area is equal to half times base 1 plus base 2 times the height, which means half. What's the base 1? 20. What's the base 2? 32. And what's the height? 14. So in this case, the area here of the trapezoid plus the area of the circle. In this case, the total sum, after we finish, the total shaded area is area of the semicircle plus the area of the trapezoid. Okay, and that's equal at the end 521. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, of course, in the question here, we have another way. We can calculate it by semicircle here, okay, and rectangle plus the area of what the triangle. It can work also at the same time. So at the end, it's 521.1. Try it, okay, and if you have any feedback, just contact me. Again, guys, question 5. So the question here is a triangle with a semicircle, but I want to calculate the shaded area. But a semicircle makes a problem for me, so I shall what to do here. I shall take it out. So taking it out is like doing subtraction in math. So what to do? We calculate the area of the triangle totally, which is half times 18 times 26 is still half. This is the base and this is the height. Okay, based on what? There's 90 degree, which this is the base and this is the height. Half times base times height. You can flip it like this. So in this case, half times 18 times 26. That's the area of the triangle. And what about the area of the semicircle here? That's going to be area is equal to pi times, what's the radius? Of course, half of that. 4.5, okay, square. All over how much? 2. Why mistake? Because it's semicircle, it's not fully circle. So pi times 4.5 square all over 2. At the end, if I want now to calculate the shaded area, it's not the sum. So the area is going to be the area of the triangle minus the area of the semicircle. Okay? Okay, bad semicircle, yes. Okay, so in this case, what we get? Total sum. So the subtraction, that's going to be 202. This is the full question, if you can see that. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle, this is the area of the semicircle. Of course, we multiply it by half because it's the half of the circle. And remember always, the mistake that students make always, what is it? That they take the 9 as a radius. No, of course not. The 9 is what? The diameter. So watch carefully. The radius here is 4.5. Thank you for watching. This is chapter 11, which is the 2D shapes. See you in chapter 12.